ഓം ശ്രീമാത്രേ നമഃ. I am Dr. Kollur Krishna from Mookambika Devasthanam. Today's Panchangam, Margazhi Masam 27th, 11th January 2026, Sunday, Vishwasnama Samvalsaram, Dakshinayinam, Hemant Rdou, Margazhi Masam, that is Dhanur Masam, Krishna Paksham, Tithi up to 1:55 p.m. Ashtami, then Navami, Sunday, that is Bhanuvasana. Today's Rahu Kalam 4:30 to 6 p.m. Yamagandam 12 to 1:30 p.m. Gulika Kalam 3 to 4:30 p.m. Good time 9 to 10:30 a.m. then 3 to 4:30 p.m. Today's Chandrashtamam up to 8:34 a.m. Kumbharashi then Meenarashi. Prayachittam Jangari Sradhatadi. Today's Ashtami. ഓം ശ്രീമാത്രേ